Cat got a lizard.
What?
Cat got a lizard. It is probably now. Oh, no. Oh.
Hey, no. Come. Leave it. Where did it? No. No. Drop it. Drop it. Give me the lizard.
Hmm.
Is it damaged?
Oh, oh no. It's okay. I'm trying to get you. Don't dare.
Where is he? Did you go under there?
It might be under this pond.
Oh, good.
Oh, that wasn't very nice.
I got a video of the whole thing.
Jeez.
What did you do? Did you get a lizard? Huh?
There's lettuce here.
Yep.
Yeah, it's
It
funny.
just grows for some
Funny
reason.
how they
It likes.
grow on that side of that thing, yeah. Remember last year?
There's one over there too.